If you're looking for a place na perfect for food, comfort, and vibes, this is it. It's another day, another blessings, and let me tell you the 3 reasons why you need to visit the Porch Casa Verde. First reason at higit talaga sa lahat is syempre ang kanilang pagkain, the food. Grabe, super sulit ng serving and sobrang sarap. From their classic Casa Verde favorites hanggang sa comfort food na babalikan mo talaga. Perfect siya pang family, pang barkada, pang couple, and kahit solo food trip pa. And these are the foods that must try. Ang kanilang summer salad is the best yung sauce and nagko-complement siya sa fruits and vegetables na halo nito. If mahilig ka naman sa spicy, super ma-enjoy mo itong buffalo wings with blue cheese and ranch dressing that gives spice to the spicy wings. Must try din itong roasted chicken, super malasa siya and perfect siya sa Java rice and sauce. One of my favorite naman itong mac and cheese and chicken tender. Super cheesy and yung chicken, super tender and crunchy. And seafood carbonara has its perfect creaminess. Second reason naman is the service. Very accommodating yung staff, super friendly, and as a customer, ramdam mo talaga na aalagaan ka nila. Relax lang kumain, walang stress. And third, yung location nila and yung venue. Ang ganda ng place, very cozy, spacious, and perfect pang chill. And dates, ang sarap numambay dito, lalo na if you want a laid-back dining experience. So ayan guys, great food, excellent service, and magandang venue. That's the Porch Casa Verde. Located lang yan sila dito sa may Quezon City and definitely a place you need to visit. See you guys!